before bunker, okay? It's going to be hard, but you're counting, guys. I'm going behind that. I'm going there. Let's go. Well, I'm going up there then.
Yeah, no, you're right. I'm going to put my barrel through here. Sorry. Okay, yeah, thank you, because...
I feel like I should be out, but like I also don't think it hit me.
It didn't hit you.
Bro, look at my chin right now.
Yeah, it's spraying through the thing because
I mean, I felt something on me, but that might have been the pain. Taken out yet?
There's people dying. Is there any possibility we can push up? No, people are dying over on our side. They're just completely unbalanced. Okay, there's 3 of us. I'm gonna try and make it over there. See the gun. I'm gonna take those. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Oh, what the hell?
Straight ahead.
I think I see him. I think it's a wrap up. He'd be in cover if he wasn't.
Yo, snap on! You got anything on the cross?
Someone's just sitting back right.
Back! Back!
Well, I'm firing.
No, but there's a hole. You can see where they are at least.
Yep, you see him. He's going. Steven?
Is that game?
Are we done?
Yeah.